Line about rotation 9.1 diameter. When we printing the fast color, input the diameter of the cup here. If it's a conical cup, measure the diameter at the midpoint. Use calipers. When we printing the second or third color, need to use the same diameter as first color. Measure the diameter at the midpoint. You can see about 72. Then tap the 72 diameter 9.2 rotating shift. After locating position, then fill offset angle to align pattern with the faster pattern. When we locate position, use this color sensor and the servo motor will rotary. After we printing the fast color, we have to tap the angle offset the angle with this for the second pattern. Like this. This is fast color on the cup, and this is second color like the silk screen frame. We feel the rotation shift angle like this. You can feel the angle. The cup will rotary to align the fast color like this. You can see like this until you feel the right angle to align for the fast pattern. 9.3 offset speed. Normal feel about 200. 9.4 search target speed. Normal feel about 200. 9.5 rotate position. This display current rotary angle. 9.6 manual lift. This control frame move to lift. When you click it, the silk screen will move to lift. You can see. 9.7 manual right. Frame move to right. When you click this, frame move to right. 9.8 rotate right. Cup holder rotary to right. 9.8 rotate right. Cup holder rotary to right. When you click it, the cup holder will rotary to right side. 9.9 rotary left. Cup holder rotary to left. 9.10 screen home. Screen move to original point. You can see after clicking, the frame will move to original point. 9.11 rotate home. Cup holder servo motor rotary to original point. Okay. 9.12 cursor search contraster sensor search pattern to locating position. 9.13 holding press cylinder holding cup. 9.14 offset off. This control on off. Power on off or power off. 9.2 rotating shift angle. 9.15 sensor description. Contraster sensor user manual. You can read here to learn how to use the contraster sensor to teach the located position. 10 about printing parameter. 10.1 screen left position, setting left stop position. Click manual left, move frame to left, fill number from printing position. Here will display current printing position. Here. Then move to frame to left. It can stop your logo and position. Okay. Then fill this number to screen left position. Okay. Manual left when the frame move to left. Here will be your start printing position. 10.2 screen right position. Setting right stop position. Click manual right. Move frame to right. Fill number from printing position. After you click manual right, here will be your stop printing position. Then you can fill this to here. .3 at printing speed. Normal can fill 500 or 600 or 800. 10.4 printing return speed. You can fill 1000, or if you want more slowly, you can fill 600 or 800 or 1000. 11. About other parameters. Here you don't need to change. Just keep it same when you get the machine. Install printing ink switch. Install printing ink switch and align it with the center of the cup. This switch sharp in the center of the cup. Master in center. Then click printing head up and down. You can see. Click the printing switch button. Printing this. Click this button. You can see. After click this button, if it cannot touch the cup, you can rotate this handle to move it up or down. Also, you can adjust if the cup, the angle is more bigger, you can adjust this and this screw to adjust the switch angle. Adjust the switch height that both sides can touch the cup. Touch the cup. 13. Install ink bag scraper. Install the ink returning blade on the left side, like this. Adjust ink bag scraper height that both sides can touch the mesh on top knob. Make sure it can carry ink bag to cover the mesh. After you install the silk screen, you have to put down the ink bag scraper to touch the mesh. To make sure this ink blade can carry ink, cover the mesh. So when it printing the logo, it have ink to here. Okay, you can take. Also, you can adjust the angle. If this side cannot touch the mesh, you can adjust this screw and adjust this screw to adjust the ink blade angle here. Here is two silk screen frame with a logo stencil. This is a fast color. This is fitting. After use this, make the frame with logo to here. And this one is second pattern, second color. It's a black color. This one is a red color. Now we need to install the fast color frame to the machine. 14. Install silk screen frame. It's necessary to ensure that the frame is parallel to the outer shape of the cup on both sides. The screen frame must be vertically parallel to the cup. Keep distance about 2 mm between the mesh and the cup. This screw, both sides can use adjust the height of the screen frame. This and that one can adjust the height of the screen frame. Also, you can adjust the frame this parallel with this button. Also, you can adjust the frame this angle with these two screws. Up and down can adjust this. The mesh master parallel with the cup outer shape. Keep the distance about 2 mm or 3 mm. If you want to move this switch front and back, you can use these 4 screws and push or drag the switch in front side or back side. You see, you can drag it front or back side. Okay, after you drag it to the right position, leave here a little distance. Don't let the switch touch here, otherwise the logo will don't have ink here this place. Then tap the actual screw. And click the printing head up down. Let the printing head up. Then install the frame to the frame clipper. When you install this silk screen, you must sure this like a frame. You must make the frame parallel with the cup. You cannot like this or this or this. Master parallel the cup shape and the smooth direction. Otherwise, the logo will like this. It's not okay. Or like this. Or this, the logo cannot print into the cup. So you can use ruler to check both sides is parallel to the cup. Also, you can manual left or manual right to move this frame to. You can use marking here, can remove it and move it to check here with the parallel to the cup. After you install the frame, you can click manual left or right, move the frame to check both side distance. Left or right side, the height distance is the same 2 mm or 3 mm both sides. That's important. Otherwise, if right side is too far away and the other side is too close, the logo will have a problem. After you install the self-screen mesh, you can use mark pen, remark some point here and rotate it to up. Then click manual left or and then you can like this. You can press the mesh to check this point and this point with parallel with the move direction. You can see. Then move the screen to left and check again. You can see the mark point under the mesh. Sometimes if this side and the other side is not parallel, just a little, you can use this screw and adjust this and the other side to adjust the frame this direction angle. 14.2 Sitting start printing position on screen left position. You can move the select screen. Move the select screen to left side. Let the switch stop the start printing position like this, and fill this to here. Here that will be your start printing position. And the stop printing position on screen right position on printing parameter page. Move the select screen to right. Then fill this to here. The stop printing position. You have to make the stop position on left, not right. Like this. When you click receipt, it will the select screen on the left and the switch on the right. That means the frame stop on left, and here will be start printing position, and left will be stop printing position. 14.3 Put ink to select screen mesh. After you put ink, click start button to check printing. First, we have to click receipt button. After we adjust the select screen frame, then before we start printing, we have to on the rotary control on, and this for the first color, the color sensor can off, and add a circle and stop position on left, and the printing check on, loading check on. Okay, printing. After printing, logo, you can see. One important thing, you must aim this printing check sensor in the cup. Here, if not detected the cup, here the machine it can roll it up, and but here we are not printing because here not detected the cup. So you need to aim this sensor in the cup. Otherwise, the printing screen will not printing normal. After we print the first color, red color, now we have to install the second color select screen frame. Second color is black color. printing the fast color, we have to clean this silk screen and use wash agent to clean the frame, save the frame for next time use. After printing, we have to use that wash agent to clean the silk screen. After clean, you can see the mesh. If the mesh is clean, then it's okay. Here is no ink. Take a 15 about contrast sensor search target. After reprinting the fast color red pattern, then install second tile screen frame, put black ink to mesh. This is contrast sensor. It only can recognize background and the logo pattern no matter what color. 50.1. When you design the printing setting, you need to make a locate square pattern on top or bottom for the fast color, like this square pattern. This is used for locate position. This square pattern, you can make one, only one or two. Put it in middle or left or right. Only make one square pattern. This will make easy for the contrast sensor to recognize the pattern position. 15.2. Adjust the contrast sensor distance around 20 mm from the product. You will see a small light spot and align the light spot with the center of the square position pattern. You can see, put it in the middle. When it rotary to the background, the QT light will not light up. 15.3 manual rotary curve and the light spot on background or square pattern, then long click teach button for 3 seconds. Then QT light LED will flash quickly, click teach button again. Then you can rotate the curve. Now it's on background, the QT light not light up. When you rotate to the square pattern, the QT LED light up. That means the color sensor can locate the position. That means the color sensor is okay. You can see. Background QT LED not light up. When it go to square pattern, QT LED light up. You can see. That means teacher locate position is okay. 15.4. When you rotate the product against the background color or the square pattern, the QT light LED will turn on or off. For example, when you in the background, QT LED on. First, you have to off the electromagnet. Otherwise, you cannot manual rotary this cup holder because you have to release the electromagnet here. Then you can manual rotary. When you end the background QT LED on, you can see when it go the square pattern, the QT LED off. That means contraster can recognize the background and logo pattern. 15.5. Click parameter, rotation parameter, and click the cursor search. You can click cursor search button a few times. First, you have to on the rotary control and the color sensor. Also, you have to click the holding, let the air cylinder press the cup. Otherwise, it's not easy to search the target. Then you can click the cursor search target button a few times. If camera mode stop at the same angle every time after each rotation, that means done search target. You can see you can click a few times. If every time you click the cursor search, it stop in same position, that means okay. That means the contrast sensor can locate the position. Notice next spot and next pattern look area. Like this, you can make square pattern. Don't aim like this pattern. It's difficult to recognize this because maybe your pattern front or back it will make a mistake for the located position. So it's better to aim the square pattern like this. After we done the cursor search, the pattern stop every time this angle like this. But we need this on the printing position is here, so we have to rotary to left side. About this place is start printing, so we have to check rotary shift angle about -100. Right side is positive number, left side is negative number, so we can fill -100 angle. Then click holding button and offset on. Then click cursor search button again. Fill rotation shifter -100. This pattern is rotary to left -100 degree. You can see it's faster if it's 0, it's this angle. Then tap -100, it's go to this side. You can see. We can click cursor search button a few times. You can see. If every time it's this angle, we can start printing tester to check whether the second pattern is aligned. If not okay, we can adjust this angle to left or right a little, align the first pattern. One important thing, if you want to cursor search, first you need to click the holding button and offset on. Otherwise, when you offset the angle, if you off these, when you click cursor search, it will not offset the angle. So you have to offset on this button and holding the tab and then click cursor search. Then the pattern will be your angle. You can see. After we fill the rotating shifter -100, then we can put ink to check 15.6. Click start printing. Second color to check angle. If it's not aligned with first color, then fill offset angle. Fill rotating shift, offset angle on rotating shift. Then we can click start printing to check. First we have to put down the printing head. For the second color, we only need to power on the UV curing LED control box, and this plasma control box no need to power on. After we click the printing, you can see the second color, yellow color, it's positive to right a little position. Here is the start printing position. The red color is first color, yellow color is second color. So it's to right position, to right direction a little. So maybe we can adjust to left. We need to rotating shift to left to here. So we can maybe rotation element. We can type negative 105 degree, and then click start printing. Check again. After we type the negative 105, you can see it's close a little now, but it's not aligned the first color. So maybe we need to fill negative 115.